Hey, welcome back to Englishman. Today we gonna explain an American comedy and romance movie titled Clueless. Warning, spoilers ahead, watch out and take care. The movie begins by showing the life of a very glamorous girl named Cher. She lives with her father who works as a lawyer while her mother passed away. In the morning when Cher is preparing to drink for her father, his father says that her stepbrother named Josh will come to their house. We come to know that currently Josh is studying at the university. After that, Cher goes to school using the jeep, but she first pick up her friend named Dion at school. The two of them meet with Murray, Dion's boyfriend. The two of them get into a fight, but Cher chooses to leave them different. From Dion, Cher does not have a boyfriend, but she not interested in high school boys. When the scene moved to the classroom where Cher is debating a topic with Amber, but the other student did not notice the two of them, the only teacher. Mr. Hall listening to both. Beside that, there is also one student named Travis, who is often considered strange in their class. There is also Elton, Cher friend, who is very popular to the end of class. All students get a paper with their grades. Bad luck comes to Cher because she gets AC that will obviously trigger the anger of her father. When she gets home, Cher finds Josh already in the kitchen. They both chat for a while until their father calls them to eat together. Just then her father starts questioning Cher about her grades. Cher lies to him and said that she will still be negotiating with her teacher regarding her grades. This time she is free from her father. Anger finally Cher have an idea. Cher and Dion begins to plan a date between Mr. Hall and Mrs. Guest. That's the only way Cher hopes that Mr. Hall mood will improve so that the teacher want to change her grade. Who would have thought that the plan is successful? Mr. Hall and Mrs. Guest are getting closer day by day, and because of that Cher grades also change for the better. One day during sports class, the teacher introduced a new student with a geeky appearance to the student. Cher then plans to make the new student named Ty. The new student named Ty, her best friend Cher and Dion start trying to be friend with Ty. Cher also forbids Ty to be friend with Travis because she thinks Travis does not match her. Cher instead set up a match with Elton. When Cher invites Ty to her house to change her appearance from affair Josh seemed to be watching them, Cher then breaks to Josh by saving that she saved Ty from the destruction of teenagers, but Josh does not seem to care. When they attend the party, Cher matches Ty with Elton. This is where Ty begins to be interested in Elton, but Elton appears like Cher. While taking Cher home, Elton tries to kiss her, but Cher refuses it firmly. Cher is very upset, so she chooses to get out of Elton's car, but unfortunately when Elton leaves her, Cher gets robbed. She then calls Josh to ask for help. Josh, who is with his friend at the time, is happy to pick up Cher. On the other hand, Ty, who knows the truth about Elton feeling, is immediately heartbroken. As a good friend, Cher intends to find another man from Ty, but Cher herself is actually captivated by her classmate named Christian. So for this guy rarely goes to class because he has to spend his first semester in Chicago. Cher initiates further action to attract Christian's attention. His plan is successful. Finally, Christian asks her to come to the party together. When going to party, Cher, who is wearing a white dress, managed to fascinate Josh, and now to Cher he follow her to party. At the party, Cher dances with Christian. When she meets the arrival of Ty, she approaches her. Soon both of them realize that Josh is there. To Josh when asked Ty to dance with her one day. When her father leaves, Cher takes Christian to spend a night at her house. With the help of Dion, they have prepared many things so that the night goes smoothly. When Christian and Cher are watching a movie on the bed, Cher tries to tease him, but Christian does not look tempted. He instead enjoys the movie her watching. Cher announces Dion and Murray. The movie he watching, Cher announces Dion and Murray express it too, but Murray laugh and says the Christian is gay. That's why he was not tempted, because they are engrossed in chatting. The driving Dion loses concentration. The three of them have a stressful incident, and finally Dion manages to pull the car over Murray. Dion hug. Immediately seeing the two of them hugging, Cher realized that she needs a boyfriend. All through initial surprised by the fact about Christian, Cher remain friend with him because they have the same hobby. Cher and Ty also invite Christian go to shopping with them. That when a tense incident occurred where Ty almost fell because of being bullied by the two men. Luckily Christian immediately helped her. The result is that Ty is safe. The incident became a hot topic at school. Everyone seems interested in listening to that story when Travis approaches them instead by telling him bad things. That when Cher realized that Ty has changed changed. One day after her driving license exam, Chair finds Ty at her house. Ty excitedly tells that he has forgotten about Elton and now she asks Chair to help her get closer to Josh. Chair says again that Ty and Josh are not a match. Hearing this, Ty, who is angry, makes fun of Chair, who failed the driving license test. Then she leaves from there. Chair feels that she is in a bad mood and decided to go for a walk. Chair also wonders why she does not like it when Ty and Josh are together. Finally, she realizes that she loves Josh. From then on, Chair begins to be nervous. When she is near Josh, Chair also begins to show changes in a positive direction. Chair voluntarily helps victims of natural disaster by collecting various donations. When Travis donates his stuff, that where Chair start to see him as a different person. Chair no longer find him weird. Chair is even willing to come to the skateboarding race where Travis is participating in the race. Chair meets by both of them, apologized to each other and promised not to fight again. One day, Chair helped Josh and his father-employee in completing some document for the trial. But Chair makes a mistake that makes her father-employee angry with her and even looks down on her. Chair then leaves them. Meanwhile, after defending Chair, Josh approaches Chair, who is sitting sadly on the stairs. Josh tries to claim his stepsister. Both of them reveal their feelings for each other and finally kiss. Both of them are happy. Then the scene moves to a wedding. It turns out that the bride and groom and Mr. Hall and Miss Guest, the students, are also seen attending the party here. It is also seen that Ty has been in a relationship with Travis. When Miss Guest throws her wedding flowers, the girls scramble immediately and it turns out that Chair is the one who gets the flower. Chair goes over to Josh and kisses him. Subscribe for more videos like this, turn on notification and leave a like to help.